Alright, welcome back to another packet tracer activity. This is 553, implementing access control lists. So right now we've got it set up where there's no filtering of any traffic, so we're going to test a little bit to see, but the outside PC should be able to ping anything and access the data center here, so let's try that. We'll just wait for these lights to turn green so we can get started. So the inside IP address is 10.10. This one is 10.20. Whoops. So there you go, that looks good. Go to our web browser. We can browse to the data center page. Okay, so that's what we want to prevent, is traffic coming in from the outside. So we're going to go into our edge router and create an access control list. So to do that, we want to do conf t and then we want to type IP access list 100 extended 100 because it's over 99. So once we've got our list built, we can fill it up with these commands that they're asking for it. So first we want to deny all web traffic from any source to the 10.0.10.0 network. So to do that, we want to do deny TCP any for the source, and then for the destination we can put the network in there with the wildcard mask, and then equals www, and it says up here they wanted the port names instead of the number, so that's why we have the www. So, and the next one we want to deny the FTP traffic, so that's pretty much the same statement. So I'll press the up arrow key and I'll just change that to FTP. And then the next one is the same, to block the telnet traffic. Delete the FTP and put telnet. Press enter. So the next one is permit TCP traffic from any source, so that's any, to any inside destination, so that's any, if the traffic has been established from an inside address originally. So then we can just put established. Permit an ICMP echo reply to reach any inside destination from any source. So permit ICMP any, and then we can just type echo reply. The next one is permit an ICMP unreachable message to reach any inside destination from any source. So that's the same as this last statement, except we just want to change this last bit to unreachable. And then the last one is deny all other traffic, so we can do deny IP, any source, any destination. And then once you've got that done, you can look at it a couple ways. You can either do a show run, and you can see your access list there with all the statements, or you can go directly to it with a show access lists 100 and it'll show it to you. So now we want to apply our ACL to the correct interface. So we're blocking traffic that's coming in from the internet. So with an extended ACL, we want the ACL to be applied to the interface that's closest to the source. So we are going to choose the serial 000 to block everything coming in. So do a conft interface serial 000, and then we can do IP access group 100 in. We can do a show run there, and you can see we've got the IP access group in right there, and our statements right there. So now we've got that configured. Let's check a few things. So our PC on the outside that we had that pinged the PC on the inside with no problem now gives us an unreachable. If we try to browse the web, let's see. The data center one was 10.0.10.20. So the outside one cannot reach the inside data center, and I realize I'm doing these kind of backwards. I should have done the inside first, but anyway. So our outside PC is 1.10. So from the inside PC we can ping our outside PC. Whoops. We can also go to the web server at 192.168.2.10. There you go. And now we're going to try to do an FTP from the inside to the outside. So to do that, we are going to go into simulation mode and create a complex PDU. So we're doing FTP to 192.168.1.10. We're doing 50,000 for the source port and the one-shot time of 1 second. And so we can play this one. So that looks like that can travel through nicely. Alright, so now let's do the same thing on the outside, going into the inside, which is 10.0.10.10. We'll play that one, and it comes in here, gets denied, and you can see it's going back. It's the red one. This blue one is the one we created previously, and it's still running through. But the red one, you can see, came down here, got rejected, and sent back. And there it goes back. So that's being denied right at the edge router. So one other thing we can check is the telnet. That's what we configured. So if we're on PC1, we should be able to telnet to the internet router. There you go. There's the internet router. And then on the outside computer, let's see, we've tried to ping the edge. So 16.1.2. So it's destination host unreachable, and you can see all these host unreachable has that edge router interface that we put the ACL on, so it is blocking everything. So that looks like everything is working how it should. Everything is being blocked that it should, and everything that should be let through is getting through. So that is an access control list and how it's implemented on this edge router. Thank you very much for watching.